In the xy plane, the graph of this equation is a circle. What is the radius of the circle? The quickest way to do this problem is through Desmos. So let's actually go ahead and hop into Desmos, graph this equation, and then I'll show you how to find the, with the equation typed into Desmos. Right here on the left, you can see it. I'm going to zoom in on the circle and start clicking around so we can see some key points here. So note that point right there is 1.5 comma 4.5, and the one down here is, let's see, right here. So we have 1.5 comma 4.5, and down here 1.5 comma negative 5.5. So to find the center, we would actually subtract those two. So we had 4.5 minus negative 5.5. So we can see that the diameter of this circle from one end to the other vertically is 10 units. Well, we wanted the radius. If the diameter is 10, the radius is half of that, right? So again, that's 1.5 over there, 4.5, and this 1.5, negative 5.5. This distance between those 2 points is 10. We only need the radius, so cut that in half. That means the radius will be 5, which the answer to this question. Now, if you want to know how to work this problem out or learn how to do it algebraically by completing the square, please let me know in the comments below, and I'm happy to make that video and tag you on it as soon as I have it posted and ready. Boom shakalaka.